Many players believed the Andromeda was the biggest plane in GTA San Andreas because of the huge cargo hold in the stowaway mission, right? But Rockstar tricked us in this mission, and almost everyone fell for it. In Stowaway, CJ has to chase the Andromeda on a bike before it leaves Verdant Meadows Airport. And once we finally make it inside, Rockstar creates one of the best illusions in the whole game. CJ suddenly appears inside a huge cargo hold. The interior is massive, the ramp is still open, and when you look outside, you can see clouds moving past the plane. So naturally, it feels like CJ is inside a real moving Andromeda, right? This is why so many players remembered the Andromeda as an enormous aircraft. But the cargo hold feels much bigger than the outside of the plane. And because this mission was the first time most players ever saw the Andromeda, it created a very strong impression. But this is where the trick happens. The cargo hold is not actually inside the drivable Andromeda plane. As soon as we reach the ramp on the runway, the game teleports us into a completely separate interior object. That object is located in the Hidden Interiors universe. So even though it looks like we entered the plane directly, we are no longer inside the same physical plane we saw taking off from Verdant Meadows. We are actually inside a static cargo hold model somewhere else in the game world. And the clever part is how Rockstar made this fake interior feel real. The game uses fast animated cloud particles around the cargo hold to make it look like the plane is flying through the sky. If you stand near the open ramp and look outside, the moving clouds create the illusion of speed. It feels like the Andromeda is still flying forward, right? And when we move the camera farther away, we can see the low-detail Andromeda shell around the cargo hold. But the most important part is the scale. This hidden interior object is much larger than the real Andromeda on the runway, which is why the cargo hold always felt so huge. You can also notice the trick by comparing both ramps. The real Andromeda on the runway has a much smaller open ramp at the back, so the scale simply does not match. And that is what makes Stowaway such a clever mission. A small ramp, a fade out, a hidden interior, and some animated clouds were enough to fool players for years. So, did you know about this? Or did Rockstar trick you too? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.